welcome everybody to Dog Tours Championship. Here are our contestants. This is the originals round. We got the pig, the first ever toy Navy got, and this one, the second toy Navy ever got. Next up we have Battle of the Ropes. We have this rainbow rope and the green looking rope. Then we have Battle of the Bones. Technically, there's a red one and that one, which I'm going to call a bone. And then we have the wild card round, where we have the frog and the ball. Now let's see our judge. It is Navy. Okay, so we're going to start off with the originals. 1 sec. Look, we have the pig and that. Okay, grab Navy and put her down in 3. Put her down on the floor in 3, 2, 1. Let's see which one she chooses. Navy, no! Okay, release her in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. She picks the pig. Pig moves on to the next round. While this is eliminated. You're going to the elimination area over there. Okay. Now it's time for our next round. We have Battle of the Ropes. Major, grab Navy again. Navy! Major, grab Navy. Okay. Yeah, this rope. Okay. Release her in 3, 2, 1. Navy down. Look. Navy, look. Oh, the green rope. My think this is biased, but she was on the right side last time I chose the one of the pig, which was on the left side. Okay. Grab Navy again. It's time for our third round. Sorry to interrupt. You are eliminated. Kobe. Damn. Now, you can't have second picks. Dang it. For Navy to get back, it's time for Battle of the Bone. Real bone and fake bone. Okay. We were able to get the rope and finally actually throw. Okay. Okay, Navy, are you ready? Now we'll put Navy in the middle. And go! Navy!
What?
Are both of them? Come on. Look. And then we have this one. Navy! Do you hate the bones? Okay, I know what to do. I'm gonna throw them. Okay? Whichever one.
Get me out of this chrysalis, please.
3, 2, 1. Oh, she chooses the red bone. Oh, never mind. She grabbed the rainbow bone, which means red bone. You're eliminated. Ooh, tough round. On to our wild card. Oh snap! Did it break something? No, I didn't. Okay, on to our last round. On to the last first round. Wild card. Frog versus ball. Fun fact, the ball is actually mine. Okay? I know, Navy. Isn't this fun? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, she chooses the frog. This means ball, you're eliminated. And you're going to The loser pile. Okay. Now it's time for round 2. We have the original versus the rope. Maybe. Maybe no. Maybe you can't already choose. Back up. Okay? And now you can go. Maybe go. Go, girl. Maybe.
Maybe I'm gonna fall.
Maybe. No. Maybe don't you want to play with your toys? No. Whoa, wait. Come on, Navy. Navy, no. Okay, yeah, you choose me. I'm the winner. Navy, don't bite me. Navy. Okay, what about ice? Does she choose the pig or the rope? I'll just squeak this one. And I'll do this one. Oh, she chooses the pig. Maybe we should have done both of them at the same time. Well, whatever. You are eliminated. No, you can't choose this one now. Okay. Now it's time for the rainbow bone versus the frog. Okay. Okay, Navy. Okay, Navy chooses the frog. I mean, it's rainbow bone, you're eliminated. You're out. Now it's time. I definitely did not miss. Now it's time for our final round. We have the pig, the first ever toy she got, and the frog. Actually, one of the newest toys. Oh, Navy, give me the frog! Okay, it's time for our finale. I'm gonna throw both of them to make it fair. She chooses the pig. Frog, you're eliminated. And the pig is the winner. Our first ever toy. Pig, you get to be shredded by Navy. Wee. Oh. Bye.